Yes. Yes.
A relationship.
Yes. So if you're random, join me. We'll have fun.
Hello, welcome to Naturally Committed. Yes, you are here to learn. That's right, to learn. This is not your typical tutorial where it's more instructional like a lecture. This is just me going through how to set your page up to print on a Epson ET2720 printer and let you know the difference between the Apple MacBook and a Windows computer, how the print configuration looks differently. So if you are into sublimation printing, let me first start off by saying you want to subscribe to my channel. Help me grow, okay? I do have another channel, but that's family content. This is my new channel that has been definitely struggling and looking for people like you to subscribe, since we all have something in common, because you're right here trying to learn how to do sublimation printing. And this is a picture that I did using Canva, okay? I found an image and I just dolled it up. So all you gotta do is just go to Canva and type in cartoon images, you know, and do your thing, doll it up. I can do a later tutorial, but I'm not gonna do it unless you subscribe and leave your comments below. All right, so I'm not your typical straight narrow path person. I am live, okay? I am very lively person that's full of fun, full of laughs, okay? But I like to teach you all, okay? By day, I'm a librarian. And I am a mother of 3 boys, okay? So y'all should feel my pain. And I am a wife to a wonderful husband. And I have my own business. I have my own small business that specializes not only in sublimation graphic shirts, but also jewelry, okay? And mugs, okay? Tumblers, all that good stuff. So you can learn a lot from me and wonder how I still have the energy to keep it moving. So what are y'all waiting for? Did y'all subscribe yet? I don't hear nothing dinging, okay? So you will see me, well, hear me talk to you about sublimation printing, okay? So recap, Epson ET2720 printer is about to come up. You're going to see me going over the basics between a Windows version and the MacBook Apple, okay? And what made me do this video is because someone in the group that I follow said that you can change the page size, and now a lot of people know how to do that. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment, let's grow, okay? That's what I'm here for, to help you grow. If you want this image, let me know, okay? I can give you a image. Of course it's going to be a fee, a simple small fee, okay? Not a lot, I promise you. All right, let's get this started. No, Epson's ET2720 sublimation printers do not print big pages like 13 by 19 or 11 by 17. It only prints 8.5 by 11 or 8.5 by 14. So she said that if you go and do the 2-in-1, it's going to split your image apart, okay? And you just have to print it out on the poster option, and it should make your image look larger. So I have tried that, and to me it looks the same because I use Canva for my images. Right here, this is a Windows computer, and this is a Windows computer, and I also have an Apple MacBook computer, okay? So I tried that on the Apple MacBook computer, and my print functions did not work for that option. But on the Windows computer, I did see the option to do the 2-in-1 to split image. Okay, maybe I'm missing something on my driver. I'm not sure. This is a new computer that I have. So luckily I have this as a backup. And I made this image on Canva as well. They had images of different cartoon images of males and females. I chose this and I had dolled it up myself. So it doesn't originally look like this when you find it, but I dolled it up myself. Okay. And that can be in a later video if you want me to show you how I stretch my images to make it look bigger. So I'm going to go to File right here, okay? And then I'm going to go down to Print. All right, so why am I not seeing the print option? All right, I guess I have to check it first. Okay, so now File and Print. So when I do that, my Epson window will pop up. You want to make sure that you have it on the correct settings. See, I have different printers, so those printers will show up. So make sure it's on your Epson ET. So this is the one that I have. And now I was in portrait mode, and you want to scroll down to print settings. Once you scroll down to, once you click on print settings, it's going to open up this window dialog box right here. Okay. And then underneath of multi-page, you are going to click on 2x1 poster. Can you see that? 2x1 poster. I'm going to click on that. Okay. So it shows you how it's going to split. Just like that, since it's in portrait setting. Then you hit OK. And want to make sure that you are mirroring your images before you print. Okay? Make sure you mirror your image before you print. So I'm going to make all right, so that's portrait. Now, I know that some people have trouble fixing their page size that they want it on. So right here where it says document size, right here where my white arrow is, I'm going to click here. And I'm going to change this to 8x14 because I have 8x14 paper. That way my printer will not get confused. So this is basically where you will select your paper sizes in this document size box. Okay. All right. So it's portrait, 2-in-1. Click on the settings so I can see that it's going to do that now since I highlighted it as portrait and not landscape. Click OK. And then you click on print. Okay? And don't forget to mirror your image. Okay, so if you don't know how to mirror your image and this is your first time having an Epson printer, you want to click on more options and make sure you click on mirror image. Any picture that you're going to place on your shirts or cups must be mirrored if it has words, or it will print out backwards. All right. And that's how you print out your paper. But like I said before, I did not see the difference at all as far as size. I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay, so here is my Epson 2720, y'all. And here is my image on an 8x14. And you can see how big this is. I used Canva and I had just widened the image and stretched it to make it look big. I didn't even have to use Photoshop or Silhouette or Cricut to do that. Now I want you to look at this image. It basically looks the same sides to tell you all the truth. I'm going to put them side by side, but you see this is how much you have to trim off. Once you trim it off, you're going to, you know, even it up. I'm holding the phone while I'm doing this, so bear with me. You're going to even it up, tape it on the back and the sides. Okay, and we know that sublimation ink is a gas, so it's going to expel. All right. Now here's my other picture, side by side. Try to come out so you can see it. And I'm liking how this is more vibrant for some reason. I don't know, but I just printed from the Apple using this setting, probably because, oh, you know what, my color settings are different on my Apple than it is on my husband's computer. So yeah, but that is, it looks about the same to me. I don't know. And like if I put it over top, looks the same. Alrighty, so that is all. Okay, so here is my Epson 2720, y'all, and here is my image on an 8x14, and you can see how big this is. I used Canva and I had just widened the image and stretched it to make it look big. I didn't even have to use Photoshop or Silhouette or Cricut to do that. Now I want you to look at this image. It basically looks the same to size to tell you all the truth. I'm going to put them side by side, but you see this is how much you have to trim off. Once you trim it off, you're going to, you know, even it up. I'm holding the phone while I'm doing this, so bear with me. You're going to even it up, tape it on the back and the sides. Okay, and we know that sublimation ink is a gas, so it's going to expel. All right. Now here's my other picture, side by side. Try to come out so you can see it. And I'm liking how this is more vibrant for some reason. I don't know, but I just printed from the Apple using this setting, probably because, oh, you know what, my color settings are different on my Apple than it is on my husband's computer. So yeah, but that is, it looks about the same to me. I don't know. And like if I put it over top, looks the same. Alrighty, so that is all. I know someone did say that they had trouble changing their size to 11x14 on their computer. I am going to show you how to do that really quick so you all will know. All right, and as you can see, this is also printed landscape wise too, just to let you all know that. But I'm really loving this color, so whew. All right, let's see. Okay, so hopefully you all had like that short tutorial. I try not to make it too long for you all because I know that we tend to lose interest and we like to speed ahead and just jump right into it to see. But hopefully you stuck along with me and you didn't miss out any important information. So I genuinely thank you for taking your time out to watch me show you about setting up your print configurations for sublimation printing. And just remember, you need sublimation ink. Do not use the ink that comes with the Epson printer because that is not sublimation ink. Okay? You can get Printers Jack sublimation ink. I am an affiliate of Amazon, so you definitely can get that because that's basically the ink that I had used. Or you can get Cosmos ink, or any other sublimation ink that is out there on the market, okay? Because regular ink will not work for sublimation printing. I must emphasize that, okay? And you're going to need to get sublimation paper. You have A-Sub, you have Crafty Betsy's, you have Corolla, you can go to Heat Press Nation or Condi, or just go on Amazon or Walmart and search for sublimation printing. Check the reviews, see how it works for them. But I usually, if I have it on hand, I usually use sublimation printing paper. I try to do the other printing paper, but it's always out of stock. And if it's just me, I am not finding 8.5 by 14, so I just ordered some sublimation printing paper size 8 by 14 through Pro World, which is another sublimation ink blanks company. So hopefully you learned something, and always remember to mirror your images, okay? Mirror your images with words, okay? That's very, very important, even if you're doing tumblers or face masks. Mirror it. All right. Thank you. Subscribe. Did you subscribe yet? If you're still sitting there and you just like hear me talk and you haven't subscribed, really? You want to click on that notification bell? You can go to my website, www.naturallycommitted.com. Follow me on social media, Naturally Committed, on Facebook and Instagram, okay? Even TikTok, if you're a TikTok fan. All right. Enjoy, share, spread the love. All positivity here. They don't call me Naturally Committed for nothing. All right, till next time. Bye.